So, hello students, my name is Bhabani. समस्तों को आम चैनल साइड स्टडी क्लासेस को स्वागत। तो आज तुम मान को छुआ आम जनरल अवेयरनेस रो प्रैक्टिस सेट केते नहीं आछे ना 22 और सेतरे आम आलोचना करिबा कोन कोन सब इंपोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स रहउची और सेगमेंट रहउची जोंडा तुम मान को वेरी बेनिफिशियल हो वेरी इंपोर्टेंट हो। ठीक अछि जा फल तुम माने निश्चित मात्रा रे तमर जो 10 मार्क रो बीएड एग्जामिनेशन रे जो जनरल अवेयरनेस पडुची किबा सिटी एग्जामिनेशन रो जो जनरल अवेयरनेस पडुची ताको निश्चित मात्रा रे तुम माने ठीक करि परिबे। ठीक अछि तो जो माने भी हम चैनल रे नुवा अछंती और जो माने भी हम चैनल को एते पर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करि रखिना टिके सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु लाइक करनियंतु शेयर करनियंतु जा फल हमको मोटिवेशन मिलिबो आमे आरी नुवा नुवा वीडियोस आपण मान पई आनि परिबा। ता सहित छुआ एटा हमर टेलीग्राम हैंडल एटा हमर यूट्यूब हैंडल एतरे आपण माने डायरेक्टली स्कैन करके जॉइन ही परिबे। ता सहित हमर प्ले स्टोर रे मध्ये ऐप अछि सेतरे मध्ये जाई कि आपण कोन करि परिबे ना डाउनलोड और परचेज करि परिबे। ठीक अछि तो तथापि जो माने आउ थरी भी कहि दउची छुआ लाइक करिया पई मात्र ही 5 सेकंड ठु भी कम लागिवो निश्चित मात्रा रे वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एवं जो माने फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रे बीएड पई प्रिपरेशन करचंती समान को पाकु समस्त पाकु शेयर करंतु। ठीक अछि तो आज प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिबा कोन अछि छुआ द एनुअल स्टेटस of education is the report of the largest household survey undertaken by the NGO। तो क्वेश्चन देखो बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन। तो मोर प्रत्येक जनरल अवेयरनेस क्लास रे जो टॉप 10 क्वेश्चन रहे 1 रु 10 आपण माने 22 टा जाक तो हम अपलोड कर सारलिनी मिनिमम 220 टा हमें टीचिंग रिलेटेड हला क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी आलोचना कर सारतिबा। तो निश्चित मात्रा रे आपण जे टीचिंग रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन उडा निहाती मात्रा रे देखंतु निहाती मात्रा रे आपण को एग्जामिनेशन रे पडिबो। ठीक अछि तो आंसर करया पई मात्र आपण मन को 5 सेकंड्स दिया जीव निश्चित मात्रा रे आंसर कोंतु द एनुअल स्टेटस of education। Okay, the annual status of education is the report of the largest household survey undertaken by the NGO। Option A Prathama Foundation, option B Akshara Foundation, option C Child Relief and You, option D Center for Civil Society। कोनटा छुआ यार ठीक उत्तर हेबो। The annual status of education is a report of the largest household survey undertaken by the NGO। Option A Prathama Foundation, Akshara Foundation, Child Relief and You, and Center for Civil Society। Option A is the right answer, Prathama Foundation। Okay, next question, the attaching of Anganwadis and preschools with the primary school to provide children opportunities to learn in a cohesive environment is called coexistence, co-developing, co-education and co-locating। Which one is the correct answer छुआ कोनटा यार ठीक उत्तर हेबो। Which one is the correct answer? The attaching of Anganwadis preschools with the primary school to provide children opportunities to learn in a cohesive environment is called coexistence, co-developing, co-education, co-locating। Which one is the correct answer? Option D is the right answer, co-locating। Okay, co-locating is the right answer। Co-locating is the right answer, option D। The attaching of Anganwadi preschool with the primary school to provide children opportunity to learn in a cohesive environment is called co-locating। The Education Commission of 1964 was chaired by option A Dr. V.S. Jha, Director of the Commonwealth Education Liaison Unit, London, R.A. Gopalaswamy, Director, Institute of Applied Mainware Research, option C Professor D.S. Kothari, Chairman of UGC, and option D A.R. Dawood, Officiating Director and Extension Programs for Secondary Education। कोनटा छुआ राइट आंसर हबो। कोनटा छुआ यार राइट आंसर हबो जल्दी कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर दियो। ऑप्शन सी डीएस कोठारी चेयरमैन ऑफ यूजीसी एटा हबो नै एटा हबो नै एटा हबो नै ठीक अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो छुआ as per the UGC regulation private universities can as per the UGC regulations private universities can establish an off campus center beyond state jurisdiction affiliate an institution or college establish an off-campus center within state jurisdiction, offer courses in distance mode without the approval of UGC. कोटा बच्चा Option C is the right answer. Establishing an off-campus center within state jurisdiction. ठीक है जी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो which among the following option is not considered an alternate school madrasas boarding school pathshalas home school which one is the correct answer which among the following option is not considered an alternate school madrasas boarding school pathshalas and home school Option B is the right answer. Boarding schools. The vision of National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC) is to make quality the defining element of higher education in India, ICSE school in India, distance education in India, CBSE schools in India. Which one is the correct answer? The vision of NAAC or National Assessment or Accreditation Council is to make quality to the demand element of Option A is the right answer. Higher education in India. Next question. The pre-primary system of education run under the aegis of the Integrated Child Development Service is called Balsalas, Angasalas, Anganwadis, and Bal Divas. The pre-primary system of education run under the aegis of the Integrated Child Development Service is called Balsalas, Angansalas, Anganwadis, and बालवादी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन अच्छी नहीं बालवाड़ी राइट आंसर that library will be the hub and the center of intellectual and literary life of the recognized school. This was stated by which commission? The library will be the hub and the center of intellectual and library life of the recognized school. This was stated by which commission? Option A, University Education Commission. Option B, Mudaliar Commission. Option C, the Kothari Commission. And option D, the National Knowledge Committee. Which one is the correct answer? The University Education Commission, the Mudaliar Commission, the Kothari, the National Knowledge. Kota? आंसर है लच्छा मुदालियर कमीशन ठीक है जी सर्टिफिकेशन क्राइटेरिया फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन बाय एग्जाम द नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ओपन स्कूलिंग NIOS requires student to pass in 5 subjects included at least 1 but not more than 2 languages, passing in 3 subjects included more than 2 languages, passing in 4 subjects included at least 2 but not more than 3 languages, passing all subjects included at least 1 languages. Certification criteria of the exam the National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS requires student. Option A is the right answer. Passing in a 5 subject included at least 1 but not more than 2 languages. Very correct and very right answer. आज का क्लास में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन अच्छी तो क्वेश्चंस पाइंट के लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दियो द फंक्शन ऑफ द स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग SCERT is to impart is a service training to the principal of undergraduate college And formation of language laboratory in undergraduate education, pre-service and in-service training to teachers or at all levels of school education, financial aid to the professors intending to pursue a doctoral degree. So Fekoila in the service training to the principal of the undergraduate college, information of languages laboratory in the undergraduate education, pre-service and in-service training to teachers at all level of school education, financial aid to the professor intending to pursue a doctoral degree. The answer touch option C ଆମେ previously भी करेइतले right answer होबो. Who amongst the following had called Rabindranath Tagore as the greatest sentinel? Abdul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B is the right answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore को Mahatma Gandhi the great sentinel बोली कहिथिले. ठीक अछि. जेहेतु से प्रथम नोबेल प्राइज पाइछन्ती कहा पई गीतांजलि पई केबे 1913 मसिया रे. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, New York, is the world's highest railway station, longest railway station, largest railway station, and which one is the right answer? Option C is the right answer, largest railway station. Okay, Great Central Terminal Park Avenue would body spray or perfume अच्छी New York माने से जगह भी ना, but ए ना perfume and body spray भी अच्छी. New York is the world's largest railway station. GCT is the largest train station in the world's term of area occupied in number of platforms. The terminal is spread over 49 acres and 44 platforms. Etymology is the science that studies the origin and the history of the technical and the scientific terms, the behavior of the human beings, insects, the formation of rocks, none of these. Which one is the correct answer? Option C, insects. Okay, insects is the right answer. Insects, etymology have many important jobs such as the study of classification, life cycle, distribution, physiology, behavior, ecology, and the population of the dynamic of insects. Eritrea, which became the 182nd member of the UN in 1993, is in the continent of Africa, Australia, Europe, and Asia. Africa, Eritrea, which become 182 second member, 182 number member UN रो थिला in the 1993 रे मिसी थिला. ठीक अछि. ये देखो का से तो माने बाउंड्री शेयर करे भी देछि. Garam Pani Sanctuary is located at Gangtok, Sikkim, Kohima, Nagaland, Dipu, Assam, Junagadh, Gujarat. Garam Pani. Option C, Dipu, Assam. Okay. Who among the following was the Adivasi leader who led the tribal revolt in Jharkhand against the British? Birju Munda, Birsa Munda, and Birju Mandi. Answer about Birsa Munda. No. Birsa Munda is the right answer. Tribal revolt in the Jharkhand against the British. Birsa Munda was the Adivasi leader who played a significant role in the leading a tribal revolt in Jharkhand against the British during the late 19th century. He fought for the rights and the autonomy of the tribal people, challenging the oppressive policies and exploitation by the British colonial administration. Annie Besant launched the Home Rule movement along with Motilal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer छुआ कौन हबो? बाल गंगाधर तिलक. होम रूल मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हेतला केबे के कोई परिबो? 1916 ना 1917? 1916. ओके, भूदान आंदोलन. What was the name of the fort built at Kolkata by the English East India Company? Fort Phillips, Fort William, Fort St. George, and Fort Charles. एडाला फोर्ट विलियम हम नहीं. Next question: in which year did Gandhiji start the Dandi March as a civil disobedience movement? 6th April 1930, 12th March 1930, 26th January 1930, and 31st December 1929. Which one is the correct answer? Option B is the right answer. 12th March 1930. Okay. The Balkan Plan for the fragmentation of India was the brainchild of which leader? The Balkan Plan for its fragmentation of India was the brainchild of which leader? V.P. Menon, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Lord Mountbatten, and Winston Churchill. Lord Mountbatten is the right answer. कौन है बच्चा? Lord Mountbatten. The Balkan Plan for the fragmentation of India was the brainchild of the Lord Mountbatten. It was abandoned on account of Nehru's opposition. Okay. The conducts of election to the office the President of India. Who conduct the election of the office President of India? के conduct करता है? तो Chief Election of India conduct करता है. एमएन तो है ही नहीं. तापरे देखो, what is the minimum age for becoming a candidate for Vidhan Sabha? What is the minimum age becoming candidate of Vidhan Sabha? Vidhan Sabha ପାଇଁ କେତେ एज दरकार? 25 25 वर्ष. Okay. Oath of secrecy to the Prime Minister and his Council Minister. किए तांको oath देई थाई छुआ. Oath तांको किए देई थाई तुमे देखिथिबो निश्चित मात्रा रे. President ही तांको oath देई थांती. Okay. In India, who among the following has authority to certify a bill as the money bill? कार अछि केवल कार केवल लोकसभा र स्पीकर ऑफ द लोकसभा माने हेबे नाही. Who among the following occupations sixth position in official order to presidents in India? किए हबो? Option A speaker in Lok Sabha. Okay. तुम मान को important question. Take care. See you again in the next class. जदि तुम मान को question टिके भी भल लगता है निश्चित मात्रा लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करिवो एवं पाखरे दिया बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को ऑन कर देबो एवं पढु था एग्जाम काहे ना बहुत ही निकटतर अछि. ओके 28 तारीख बहुत ही अल्प दिन रहिला सेति टाइम टोटल अपचय करो नाही बा वेस्ट करो नाही. पढो और जहाँ भी किसी प्रॉब्लम हो 7894072404 नंबर में मध्य कांटेक्ट करि परिबे. ठीक अछि. थैंक यू. टेक केयर. सी यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. जय जगन्नाथ.